Dear friends, I am Venkat Shivkumar. I am a chartered accountant and I have been teaching CA final up to final level, cost management and strategic finance last 30 years. And you all know that CA syllabus has undergone a drastic changes from a mere problem-oriented approach, and today it has become fully a case study oriented approach. And the new syllabus, case studies are there, and material is also before you. And in the last few exams, since the inception of the new syllabus, questions are being asked only from the material. And I have been evaluating and also checking up with many of our friends who are doing it, and we find that that is even SARC conducts mock exams, and we have given students 90 marks like that. But I have got one opinion that the students are reproducing. Brilliant students who got 90 marks, they knew that all the questions have come, so obviously they are well prepared students, no doubt. Just reproducing what is there implies that they are not, they should apply more practical sense to it. My suggestion. By the day they write whatever is written in the CA material, naturally you're bound to get marks. But the objective of the syllabus is why there's so much research is done and ICA has come out with a beautiful syllabus, is to make sure the student is able to apply this concept practically in a life situations. And in fact, it makes you think better. It makes you think much better. Very nice subject. All right, now let's get into the subject. What is that you can expect from this lecture is how to, I'm going to explain what is there only. Additionally, I'm going to add some tips for you to remember easily and then reproduce simply, not by hearting. This is my passion. And many times when the student is by hearting, friends, he gets tension. Most of the students whom I've seen, in thousands of students we have seen, they get tension before the exam or during the exam and all. That is because they are by hearting, they are not understanding. So when you go to the exam, you are not in a position to reproduce the same. So in this background, I want to address that issue because the student is going on failing, not knowing how he will pass and losing hope by the day. As a student, we understand the psychology and we are going to address that in this lecture. My lecture is focused on building confidence for a student, and with this one case study, of course, I am going to come out with all kinds of case studies. This is case study 7, and you must go through page 13.26 of material 3, module 3. You please go through that, and in this, what happens is the question you have to read first. First, facts of the case. What is the issue that you are going to address? You have to be clear. And then the questions, then you should understand what is it trying to ask, which concept can we apply. You cannot just like that write and expect 1 mark, 2 marks, friends. Still you will get 38 and fail. So you think, I would have got 2 marks and failed. Actually, you are not worth 20 also. The examiner is giving little more marks to make sure your confidence level is increased. If you write well, you will pass. You keep that in mind. Examiner wants, because this, anyway, I will focus on subject now. What is the question raised? The issue is this company is producing mobiles. It's a world leader in production of mobiles. And first and foremost step you should remember, whether you are a world leader, how to go to become world leader. First step is start the business, survive, then grow, reach the top, and then survive there. Because today it is a world of heavy competition. Remember, there is no permanency. Once you reach top, then you only will be top. It's not so. There are so many people to displace you. So fighting to be top is survival. Because another man comes. Another problem is there is no place for number 2 itself now. There is no place for number 2. There is only one, Geo, only that fellow. All others are surviving. So in this environment we are operating, high volumes. Customer satisfaction is the main point. What is customer satisfaction? You are going to provide customer excellent product, high quality product. What customer never believes you are giving him at a very low cost. At a very low cost. Because I am making, you want to make 10 rupees and sell only 100 pieces. 10 rupees and 100 pieces is 1000 rupees. You are making 1 rupee, but you are selling 1 crore pieces. 1 crore into 1 crore profit. You understand? If 10,000 you want, there is no 10,000 for you because people will not buy from second. People will go for the first. So it is a fighting that is going on in this business. Perform or perish. Please remember, you yourself will be like that. It is not just the company you are working. If you are not delivering the goods, they will throw you out. That's all. Ultimately, in a competitive world, only survival of the fittest. If you are capable, you grow. Otherwise, you are out. Please remember, this is creating a lot of mental tension. So from now onwards, you have to develop that skills. I have seen many students keep failing a lot. They are so depressed. First step is leave that depression. You fail, so what? Will I fail next time? Yes, if you fail next time, so what? Fail means you are not doing the way it should be done. Do it. Don't allow a negative mindset. Okay, I failed, I will work very hard. But it is not so easy said and done, because if you fail, you will become depressed. You lose hope and confidence, and you will be thinking whether I'll pass, will I pass, like that. So that is there. But then you don't allow that to dominate. That is the point. So I am giving you what do you expect from this lecture. Let me be clear. And I cannot expect to say something and you don't like to read. This is what you are going to get from me. Point number one. I have told you that I have seen many students whom I gave 90 marks. They have reproduced the suggested answer. So, what is the impression I will get? I feel that they are good in by heart. They have understood or not understood, I don't know. So, you should write the exam in such a way the examiner thinks you understood the crux of the subject. What is the issue raised? And then whether you are correctly understanding. So that means you use always simple language. Simple language. Yes, now I'll take you through this. See your differences. Differences in understanding. This is a case study. I request you to read the problem 2 times. Spend a lot of time till you master that subject. Don't rush up. So now exams, COVID is there, you will get the May exam. I think it will go to June itself. But then I want to make a start. Enlighten you and give you a confidence. That is the purpose of this lecture. Read the problem carefully. And this is a mobile manufacturing company. And they are, the managing director is asking whether we can bring in some minor focus on some. He would have heard that you have to start from some minor areas, save money, and wherever possible save. Profit is of 2 types. Profit is the difference between sales and cost. Second is sales is to be maximized, but in this environment you cannot improve the selling price. Volume you can increase, you have to increase, but selling price cannot be increased. In fact, you have to decrease because of the competition. So then the only thing available is cost. You have to reduce the cost continuously, but at the same time you should provide high quality products. Quality should be much higher. Then only you will survive in the business. Very difficult clients you have got it. So what are the types in which cost can be saved or reduced? There are 2 types. One is cost control. Cost control means I am producing 10,000 units at 10 rupees. Budgeted cost is 10 rupees per unit. 10,000. That means 1 lakh. 10,000 into 10. 1 lakh. So actual cost also should be 10,000 into 10. 1 lakh. That's all. So if you are doing that, that is called as cost control. That means the focus is on avoiding wastages. The focus is on ensuring that actual cost is in line with the budgeted cost. There should not be any wastages. Then we have cost reduction. Cost reduction is you are trying to find out what comprises of 10. Can I reduce that 10 to 8 rupees without any compromise on quality? Can you do that? Now, for example, you bring 10 to 8, 2 rupees you have saved, and that means you have may increase the profit by that. Remember the volumes driven production today. So this background is paramount. So they say that's both together mixed now. You are a continuous process. Then in this problem, he is talking about issue is the profit margins have fallen from 10% last year to 8%. All right. Another significant rise in cost was on account of repairs of mobiles which was under warranty. So you are promising warranty for 1 year, and then during the 1 year lot of repairs are coming, and they have 200 branches. Anywhere they can go and get it repaired. That's very important. And repair costs have increased by 1.5 crores, and so they want to save that. So whenever they ask that question, which technique you should use, you should know. And then that is called Kaizen cost. It's a Japanese term used for what is the how to remember it. The students are reproducing that without remembering. Here, for us to understand, in Tamil you say Sirutuli Peruvalla. Small drops, big ocean. So if you want to achieve the large profits, you start from saving from the Small things. That is the Kaizen cost. One word answer. To remember the subject very easily, I am telling you. So what is Kaizen costing? It is a cost reduction technique focusing on continuous improvements in small areas. You don't want to bring straight away structural changes, and then you can see that is like a demonetization is a massive subject to make huge savings in the country. Correct? No, it's a structural path breaking, and so that sort of a situation you can wipe out. You would have got 6 lakh crores money. That would have been system would have improved, but the result is the system backbone of our economy was broken. They are all called as far-reaching. So in business, nobody expects like that, a far-reaching decisions will be taken to be in the higher places. That is one thing. Then what is that you should do? Small savings. Suppose you are an airline business. To be on the top, one has to really work to go to that place, and to survive in that place you have to do much more work. This is a life concept, you will realize, friends. It's not easy. The top name and profits doesn't come. Very difficult. Attach that you don't know. That's clear. So first step is, this is a problem you have identified, that is talking about cost reduction, cost control. So that's okay. What is the issue? They want to reduce, such a big company, they want to reduce 1.5 crores per month. That is the thing. And then you should say, how will you apply this? Several questions they have asked, and each question should be answered. But then answering will take a second. We are trying to talk about the main situation. So now we are going to apply Kaizen costing. So what is Kaizen costing? Now students, what they have done is, they have reproduced. Kaizen is a Japanese word for which means change for better. In business parlance, Kaizen is used to refer to small and continuous improvements across all functions, processes, and employees. Then the definition also they are reproducing. Kaizen costing, the maintenance of present cost levels. Present cost levels for products, present cost levels maintenance is called as cost control. Currently being manufactured through systematic efforts to achieve the desired cost level. So, and the example, you are clear. And cost control means, cost reduction means, this you need not reproduce there. It's the final level you're writing. But then you should understand, okay. So example also they have given in the material, you see, an airline which identified 75% of its flyers are not eating item D. So when you are serving the flyers, you are serving 4 items. You must have known. Then everybody is leaving that 4th item. And so they thought, that's all, 4th item is left. So the cost of that 4th item, if you are not going to serve them, next question arises. That will be $80,000 is the saving. So why don't you remove that from the system? It is not a system. Students are thinking that I'll remove it. That is not there. You can give one small biscuit. You remember, a flyer means a very rich man traveling continentally. And here, to attract him to come to your plane, if there is a some competition, you are going to give him everything possible. Now here, he is happy with ABC, and he finds D is too much for him, and he doesn't like it. In that situation, even before removing it, you have to think whether you can replenish with something else to satisfy that menu. Then you say, that means you have to do a research. That means what happens, somebody has to identify the worker, that is air hostess only will be there to the team in the plane, they will identify and prepare a data. Then the next level is there should be some system for the checklist, whether all are eating inner administration. Then it should reach the next person concerned. Then before taking decision, who will be taking decision? You cannot take all decisions at a lower level. But then for taking decision, you should have input costs, input data, and that should be double checked. Because when you remove that item D, and whether really the tangible costs will be saved, that is clear. But flyers go away, that should be analyzed. This is what is the whole subject of Kaizen costing. Actually, friends, you know that Kaizen costing is zero defect costing that was introduced for automobile sector. But the idea is in business, you are not going to accept. If something goes wrong, you are going to correct it. You are ultimately working at the target. Unassailably, you have to win this target. Right, clear? So first step is students should understand. Even in dreams, if you touch him, what is the understanding? Kaizen costing. This is a mobile company, and the question asked before us is whether how they want to save their costs have increased by 1.5 crores. What is the reason? What is the remedy? You please have to advise. So the CFO has asked the finance manager based on this managing director. That means it's a small level of thinking. You are a trainee chartered accountant or a chartered accountant 5 years experience. So you have to give a report. So you have to do a thorough study. So first and foremost step is you have to collect the data which is going to say that continuously item D has been leftovers. Are you sure? And then second step is there any analysis done why they are leaving? So third step is there should be somebody to advise us whether it should be replenished with some other item. You are giving mango. Instead of mango, can you give, let us say, banana? Or no? Like that, you have to take a decision. Authenticated decision making comes in. And thereafter, whether it will not disturb the satisfaction of the flyer. All these parameters have to be, there should be a system. So the triggering point is the motivation of the employee, then generating the information to the next level, and analysis, and then ascertainment, and finally giving. This finance manager won't take decision. He will finally go and tell the CEO. They will consider it in the board, and final decision is taken. So you have to understand the case study like that. But then how to write? This is all understanding in the mind. How can you reproduce it? Students are expecting something like that. So point number one, you have to write the issue. Issue, what he says is Z Limited is a leader in manufacturing of mobiles and it is concerned about increasing costs. The increase in warranty related costs has been significant in the current year as compared to last year. This has reduced the net profit by company by 1% of sales. This has to be addressed. That is the issue. You have to, first the examiner will understand, okay, whether this fellow understood the issue. And then how to improve profitability. General talking, if you write, you will lose marks. A specific question is given to you to ensure that you recognize that 1.5 crores of rupees of increase in the sales, dollars, has to be saved. So what is that? So now you are going to, they didn't ask you to apply Kaizen costing, remember. You should know Kaizen costing should have been the answer. Of course, in this situation you read and gone Kaizen costing. So what is Kaizen costing? Remember from this example I said. So you have to devise a system in a company wherein they will have to find spots and then find out some information, continuous monitoring of the same, so that you get information on the viability and feasibility of those things. You correctly know. How will you know that all the people are leaving that apple or mango or whatever product D, which is served in the tiffin or snacks? So therefore, customer satisfaction vis-a-vis the servings. So there is a generation. Triggering point for you is, so you say a study, start. This is a situation where the management must focus on areas where costs have suddenly jacked up. But the value chain you have to check. And second step is there any way in which the cost can be saved without affecting the customer satisfaction? That is the quality of the service. So therefore, this can be reproduced. You should always think small drops will result in huge savings. Small drops will become big ocean. Small drops, that is called Kaizen cost. And the second important thing is it is not expecting you to bring in serious changes like demonetization. You remember like that. This is not a tool for that. That will be once for all, they will change. The company itself will shake or it may grow like Geo. Brought in, short, they made great decisions around there. But then this is not a technique for that. It is a tool of cost control and cost reduction. And remember that small and continuous improvements, all functions, all processes, and all employees, unless employees are involved, it will not work. You write that. Then take this example. That example you take there are 4, you reproduce it. Then you can write it. How will you achieve it? That will be reflected in, it is a process. What is the process? In this case, it's a function, process, and then employees. So it's a one flight is going, all right. Then one that is they'll give you servings, lunch, dinner, all those things is there. And then how it is served? There is a menu is there at the first when the plane takes off at this immediately within 1 hour. It's a 5 hours journey plane. Within this hour you should come, all timing. So then how will you facilitate it? For achieving that you need servings that will be there in the plane. They would have given it. Then as air hostess coming and seeing all these things, serving them, and then they're taking back. Whenever they're taking back, they must see whether all are there eating. They will also be given some feedback form. This is all process, function, and then employees. And this is to be, this should be independent system that should be documented and that should go to the next level. So for example, so many people tell me, Wipro chairman himself will come and switch off all the air conditioners and lights unnecessary. Because that is for such a billionaire, this is not a small thing. Like that you should not think. Every aspect, even in your house, when you don't need the electricity, fans are running, AC is running, television is running, and you leave it, it's not correct. The natural resources should not be wasted. So that is a profit-driven organization. Every area one must save is the concept. With this understanding, dear friends, I would like you to write what is, this is a problem, this is the issue. That issue you should not go wrong. You should not write heavy profits will come, all that. That is here. Their limited question is warranty repairs have increased compared to last year to this year. Please advise. So I am going to introduce a technique that is called as Kaizen casting. What is Kaizen casting? Reproduce it. There are 2 ways of reproduction. First reproduction is you give an example and then try to read out from the example and analyze it. That's all. You will remember well. Tirthuli Peruvellam. Small drops, huge ocean. So you should also remember features also you have to remember. This is only focusing on small things. Not a big change you expect. You understand? This is to understand that in this you should write demonetization. So demonetization is a structural change and expected to reorient the country is economists. That was taken and then country is destroyed once for all. You understand? That might have also resulted in great savings. We don't know. But those things cannot be applied in this technique. Many things. I am telling you, every issue, every process, where it has to be tested like this. Small things. will give great results accumulated, because when you take a process, so many things have to be done to achieve. And it is you when you drink early morning tea or coffee, it's just not that tea powder has come. So much is there. Tea bushes are there. You have to grow the tea leaves, plant them, sell them. So it is not a background till it comes to your cup. So much of activities there. Ultimately, you are paying for that tea. How they are making you to buy that tea only, and then for years together, some of them are going. And you had ambassador car 1,000 years, 100 years. Today it is not. So remember, we are working on difficult times. So, but then every difficult time it will give you opportunity for new success. Don't think negatively, and then you will drop out. Today we are in COVID times. You don't know who will live, who will die. But then you cannot think I will die. You think this is giving me a new opportunity. Let me survive this. Let the nation survive. There is no scope for pessimism, and let us work, and we may get India may become very great. And this is how one has to read that. Correct, no friends? So analyzing the issue I raised, very important. To applying the technique, identifying the technique is very important. In industry you go, nobody will come and tell you apply this technique, that technique. Whatever you have learned, you can mix everything and then apply. So that situational application is your job. You have to become a Sundar Pichai. How he has become? All of in his class, 100 people would have studied, but he went up means it's not like that. Not our Indian company where government means by influence you can go, but American companies and you have to survive, struggle, survive. They will rate you. You have to become like that. That's the purpose of my explanation. So here, the same thing, that one example, everything will come, you see. And actually, your friends, Kaizen casting is a thought which came for automobiles for them, Japanese. They thought defective, they were producing 10 lakh cars. Then 10% is 1 lakh cars. They thought if you produce zero defect, then 1 lakh cars profit will be, sales is profit for you. Therefore, we can reduce the cost and further cut down American competition. And there only they took a decision: Kaizen casting, zero defect casting. How will you produce a mass production without any defects and achieve it? You cannot say I cannot. You have to keep thinking, and then only you can achieve. You should never. This is a testing times, an opportunity that COVID is giving to you. You read this. See, same example. I want you to, whenever you read what is said, you should read only one example. Go on, and then you try to apply it to the different practical situations. Your knowledge, your memory, your confidence, everything will increase unbounded. He says that what are the following are the key features of Kaizen. What is Kaizen? Change for better. And Kaizen process focuses on eliminating waste in the systems and processes of an organization, improving productivity and achieving sustained continual improvement. Focus on eliminating waste in the systems, in the processes of an organization, improving the productivity, achieving sustained continuous improvement. It is both cost control and cost reduction embedded in. 2. Application of small incremental changes routinely applied and sustained over a long period can lead to significant improvements. That is, small drops, huge motion. That is a concept. First is cost control, cost reduction. Second one is the small drops, big motion. And you cannot overnight structurally bring this changes in any organization. Even friends, suppose for example, take a situation, a student is failing 10 times. He cannot think I'll get first rank, but nothing wrong in thinking. But he has to understand why is he failing so much. You should not blame the system. You should not blame others who passed. You should blame yourself. Inwards thinking, you will get reasons. Nothing is impossible, friends. That is one thing you learn. scientific approach is required. And you search for yourself. Go on asking others. Other person may tell his own view. Understand? Okay. 3. It aims to involve workers from multiple functions and levels in the organization. Here one item, serving the menu is one item. Understand? Involving them to tell you whether that product is eaten or not eaten. From there it starts. So there many times the whole business process succeeded because of involving the employees and the people who are key people. And similarly, when you don't involve key people, India is a like situation. There are some legislations. India lost 7 lakh crores of rupees of public banks money because that persons involved never involved the people who are supposed to be involved, and they've lost. They didn't know what is ground realities. So therefore, to know ground realities, this is the fountain heads. They will tell you this is small and simple wording. I said in a particular branch, air condition should not be used when it is not required. How will you know it? And somebody should be held responsible. Lightings, water. So first step is in our India. What happens is if you take a public system, everybody thinks government has to do. That is our problem. But in organization, it is not like that. You cannot expect managing directors to come and do. It should be inculcated that motivation, morale have to be indulged. This is called the management. Everybody should work towards the ultimate goal. They should identify themselves with the organization. That's a great process. That is what he's saying. A value chain analysis helps to quickly identify opportunities to eliminate wastages. So I have given you, there should be continuous research team and they have to tell the management, and then you get substantially, you can save. That is how the ultimate goal is. Today you will earn you have to be top position, you should be there. Today there are no 10 people are available. 1, 2, 3. The first person will take 80% of the market. He will be making huge profits. The second and third person will be eating whatever the spillovers. So everybody is waiting to become 1, 2, 3. Suddenly 4, like Jio came and then wiped out this electronic sector. You understand? The mobiles and all. So new innovations. So you have to survive. One of these things is to do this. If your profits are falling and sales are falling, that is a cause for concern. Now we'll take up the benefits of Kaizen. Everything is there. Now if student, I will read out everything for your sake in the next slide. But then entire subject is this one. How you are going to write also, we have to explain you. Now dear friends, I have given you several tips for remembrance. Why students tend to become tensed? Because in my opinion, that the students are not understanding the concepts. Mostly they try to mug it and try to reproduce halfway. And therefore I worked out in such a way how to remember it I have given you. Now let us take the question. And the question is this. Zen Limited is a leading mobile manufacturing company and sells its mobile phone across the world. In a fast-changing technological environment, Zen has been able to maintain its leadership in smartphone segment for third year in a row now. Though the revenues have grown year-on-year basis, the costs have also increased at a higher rate in the mobile phone industry as a whole. We have been leaders, that's the statement. We have been leaders in revenue. We must lead in cost reduction front as well as. I believe we can achieve this with the improvements over time. However minor they might be. So, when you are talking about improvements over a time, and however minor they might be, that one word is there for you to recognize. They are asking you to answer it Kaizen custom. As I told you, friends, this exam is